Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two confetti poppers. So this one I'll save for last. It's really loud. It's got compressed air. This one is just a spring. And you can reuse it. You can reuse it. Now be careful, all the stuff will fall out. It's just right underneath that lid. So you're going to turn the bottom part this way, this arrow, and hold this. Again, it's not loud. Let's do it. So there's about how much confetti you get out of it. Now this one, I've got earplugs in. Again, it's loud. You're gonna hold this. It's all gonna come out here. This is just a steel cylinder underneath that, but you're gonna turn this, all right? Are we ready? Here we go. So you get quite a bit of confetti out of this one, and it shoots at a long distance. Here's the confetti out of that one, and then there's that one. This is like tissue paper. And the other one's like metallic. Now earlier I did cut one open. This is what's down there. There's just a cardboard tube on here. But that's a pressurized cylinder. And it's not reusable. Now over here, you can reuse these. That's a spring. I took one apart. It's kind of hard to reuse them. I was able to do it though. But there's the big spring that's going to pop out. That's what's down in there. And then but you'd have to see with this all together, you'd have to push this down and then turn it so that it was able to lock. And all you're doing when you activate it, you're just turning that bottom part, releasing it. See, right, normally it's like right there. You're just releasing it, and then spring is forcing that up. See, that's just spring. So getting that down in the right spot can be a little tricky, but they are reusable. I prefer this one. It wasn't loud, and it's reusable. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.